Good morning everyone, my name is GC Caro and today I will be sharing with you the inspiring story and determination and success the story of Henry C. from the humble beginning selling shoes in the street of Manila to become the richest man in the Philippines. The story of Henry C. from shoe seller to mall tycoon. This is the incredible story of Henry C. Sr., the founder of the SM Group and the true titan of industry in the Philippines. His journey a powerful testament to the Filipino immigrant experience, one of the hard work, perseverance, and industry spirit. Henry C. was born in Jimin, China in 1924, December 25. He came to the Philippines as a young boy to join his father, a small-time businessman. Life was far easy. He worked long hard, his father struggling to sari-sari store, small neighborhood convenience shop. And it was there that he first learned the value of commerce and customer service. But the family business was destroyed during the World War II, forcing young Henry start from scratch. After the war, he ventured into selling shoes walking through the street of Manila. This was initial entry into retail. He saw the great opportunity to provide quality footwear to growing population. He saved his money diligent. In 1958, he took a major leap of faith, opened his very first shoes shop in Manila that he named Shoe Mart. This small store was the seed from which his vast entire world grew. He did just sell shoes, he provided a pleasant shopping experience. He focused on a wide variety of choices, fair price, and in customer satisfaction. The store was a success and he so on expanded beyond just a footwear to include clothes and other goods. His ambition grew with the success. He realized the future of retail was not as a small shop but is a large all-in-one shopping center. In 1985, against the advice of many who dubbed he vision, Henry C. opened his first mall, SM City, North EDSA. The country was in a period of political and economic certainty, yet he pushed forward. He saw beyond the challenge and saw future where small was not just a place to shop but the community hubs, place where families could go to eat, watch a movie, and spend their free time. This was a revolutionary concept in the Philippines. The success of SM City North EDSA led to the rapid expansion of his mall empire across the country. He became known as the father of Philippine malls, but he did not stop there. He diversified his business, acquiring a bank that would eventually become the country's largest BDO Unibank. He also ventured into real estate, building condo and other commercial properties. His business grew into what is now known as the SM Group, with interests in retail property development, banking, and tourism. Henry C's story is a powerful lesson in entrepreneur spirit. He proved that no matter where you came from or what your circumstances are, with enough hard work, clear vision, and unwavering. And that's all my topic for today's video, everyone, and thank you so much.